Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by recognizing three core uses of get: possession or receiving, change of state, and phrasal verbs. First, practice simple present and past forms. I get, I got. Once comfortable, make short example sentences aloud and note the meaning shift when context changes. Make sure to repeat variations with objects and adjectives. This builds a mental map of get's flexibility, so you can choose the right structure quickly in conversation. You now focus on patterns and why they work. Use get plus noun for acquiring, get plus adjective for becoming, and get plus past participle as a passive-like construction. Once done, compare examples. She got a job versus she got hired, similar outcome, different formality. Make sure to practice tense changes and negatives. Didn't get, getting, will get. Drill brief dialogues to hear natural stress and contractions. That trains instinctive use in speech. You finish by integrating get into fluent speech and checking common pitfalls. Mix phrasal verbs, collocations, and synonym swaps to feel subtle differences. For example, get versus obtain changes formality. Once you've practiced, record short role plays and listen for misplaced tense or missing particles like up or over. If things go wrong, slow down, identify whether meaning or grammar failed, and repeat corrected examples aloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.